Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Do you ever imagine to have Microsoft Office on your Chromebook? Do you know that Microsoft Office is now available for Chromebook users? So, this video will going to show you two available ways to have Microsoft Office in the Chromebook. First, you can get it from Chrome Web Store, and the second one you can get it from Google Play Store. For the first one, from your browser, just search on Chrome Web Store. Click on the Chrome Web Store, this link. Then from the search bar, search for Office. You go to Office Online and click on Add to Chrome. Just click on Add Extension. So now Office Online has been added to Chrome, and you will see that the Office Online is on your Chrome menu up here. So to use this extension, just click on the icon and sign in with Microsoft account, or you can sign in with a work or school account. You need to sign in to your Microsoft account, or if you don't have Microsoft account, you may create one. It's free. You can create account by using your phone number, or you can use new email address. If you already have the Microsoft account, just insert your email address and click on Next. Just enter your password and click on Sign In. For now, Office Online needs you to confirm its permission to access all these things, or you can change this application permissions at any time in your account settings. Just click on Yes. Now, if you click again on this icon, it will show you that you have signed into your account, and you will see that the web app. So there are Microsoft Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, OneDrive, Excel, and OneNote. So if you go to any one of them, for example, I choose for Microsoft Word, you will see that all these Microsoft Word template, and you can use it just like usually you did. There are more templates, or if you want more, you can click on See More Templates down here. Or if I use this new blank document, it will always look the same as from your PC, laptop, or any other devices. But this extension will only let you to access the Microsoft Office online. There is another way to get the Microsoft Office offline. It is so easy. You just need to install it from your Google Play Store. And you can search for Microsoft, and there are Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Outlook. So for each of these Microsoft, you need to install them one by one by clicking on the install button. And when the app is successfully installed, you may access through it even offline. You can click on Open. So allow Word to access photos, media, and just click on Allow. Allow Word to access your contacts and just click on Allow too. Or if now you are online, you can directly sign in with the same account you signed in before. Or you can click on Sign In Later. And you can create and edit your own documents just like usually you did from PC, laptop, or any other devices. Or if you are online and you sign into the Microsoft apps, it will sync and automatically fetching the document you created offline. To sign in, just insert your email address and enter your password. In conclusion, you can have Office on an extension which allow you to directly edit your documents online. You can also install Microsoft Office from Google Play Store, which allow you to create your documents offline. The best part of having Microsoft Office in Chromebook is you don't have to worry if suddenly you get disconnected or you lose your device. You can always retrieve your file from another device as long as you sign into your Microsoft account. Since Microsoft will sync everything, you don't even have to click save, as the files will be automatically saved to your OneDrive. That's all from me. Stay tuned for the next sharing session from me. Thanks!
Thank you for watching the video. So for further information, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. So good luck and bye!